Air currents contain more energy than humans can use. This is an invention that allows airships to float on air currents and transmit electricity generated by wind and solar power using microwaves or hydrogen. The cost of solar power generation in Japan is 9 cents per kilowatt-hour, but this amount of sunlight is less than 30% of the daytime hours. In other words, if you modify an airship and attach solar power panels to it and go to a high altitude where there are almost no clouds, you can generate about 3 times as much solar power. It generates electricity using airflow under clear skies at an altitude of about 2,000 meters. Furthermore, if you go to the region of midnight sun, you can generate 6 times more power in total. This will also solve the recent problem of lack of installation space for solar power generation panels. If solar power is generated on an airship, the cost may be as low as $0.015 per kilowatt-hour. This is cheaper than the cheapest gas power generation. This is the number to implement. When an airship is carried away by air currents, the common theory is that the speed difference with the air current disappears, but by generating electricity by wind power, the acceleration energy is reduced and the speed difference becomes difficult to reduce. This allows wind power generation and increases maneuverability. Airflow power generation is realized by the idea of using solar power to move around, change altitudes, float, and generate electricity wherever possible. If done well with a light wind power generator, motor, this combined power generation will be possible. If you ride the air currents like the one in the image, you will be able to go around the seas around Japan. There are air currents that can be used all over the world. If properly controlled automatically, such as by changing the altitude, it could be used like an artificial satellite. It can also be used for transportation. If you fly a lot, it may block sunlight and lower the temperature. Microwave power transmission will be able to transmit power over distances of more than 1,000 kilometers. If it is stored and transported using hydrogen, it can be delivered to any location. Additionally, data centers and cryptocurrency mining, which require a large amount of electricity, can be easily accomplished by loading them onto airships. The temperature is low and it is efficient.
Please like and subscribe to the channel to eliminate global warming. There is a lack of technology and funds. Please support us.